Okay, here we are up on the roof. And here's where our array is going to go. You can see the existing set of Sharp modules over here, which is feeding to the inverter that we saw before. It's all going to go right here. Today, about 60 degrees, nice and sunny weather, it's a little breezy up here on the roof. We're going to get our chalk lines, get our measurements, start mounting feet.
It's funny to do this without flashing, it's visible.
Okay, here we go. Got everything lined out. We've snapped our chalk lines. We got our first foot mounted. We got our bag of bolts here all prepped out. We got a nice new fancy stud finder that's kind of working with these asphalt tiles. Got our corded drill driving these in so that they don't come out. And our caulk. So here's what our mounts look like. They've got a slide on. So 1 down, 57 to go. Okay, 1 row of 14 completed all the way down. 3 more to go. Doesn't look like much now, but this is the firm foundation. It's very important. So what we've done is piloted the holes to make sure that we hit right into the stud. You can see if you look closely, there's a little bevel where we sunk it right into the stud. Okay, it's about 2:30 in the afternoon. Taking 5 before we do the next row. Okay, end of the first day. It's about 5:30 in the afternoon. We've got 24 feet mounted. A couple rails, nearly halfway done with the base framework. This is the most important part. Tomorrow we'll start off doing the same, finish up the feet, get going from there, running the conduit. Okay, 9 o'clock in the morning, Wednesday, April 8th, 2009. Day 2, the Always Power 6.8 kilowatt installation. Here are the rails we got in place yesterday. So today we have 32 feet to install, and the rest of the rails. We'll go ahead and hook up the inverters after that with the grounding electrode run throughout the entire array. And the method for installing these feet, as you can see, here's what they look like before they're installed. So we find the location, measuring out 48 inches from the adjacent one. And we skim underneath the tiles to free up any nails that are in the way. Drill a pilot hole, make sure we've got the stud. Scoot the flashing underneath the shingles and goop the heck out of it with our wonderful roof tar. And square it up and screw it down. Of course, we double, triple check our measurements. Today we're using a different type of technique. We've got a 4-foot drywall T-square. We're going to slide along and see if we can speed up the process a little bit and make it a little bit easier for us. So here we go. Right, it's almost 11 o'clock. We just got 18 more feet installed. We've got a new trick with the T-square, which seems to work pretty well. As we can see, we're pretty well lined up here. So we just have one more row sitting here. We'll be able to get all our racks and everything attached.